This is completed. I think last section I gave homework, no?
Yes, sir. 22nd.
Did you do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I do answers. Please check. What is the value
Yes,
of
sir.
root 50? What is the value of root 50? Mo?
2 into root 25, sir.
Okay. Root 25 means we shall say 5 root 2. Okay, no? 5 root 2, that is. And root 72 is 9 eighths, no? No. 2 we can get. 2.
Yes, sir. 236, sir.
236. Okay. 6 root 2. So you get 11 root 2. Option R. First one is R. And
Option
second,
A, sir.
Second one is P, no? Okay. Both of you done, no? Right. We'll go for the next session, next page. 22 completed. Yeah, see this. X is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5, 1 by x square, 1 by y square. This is totally rationalization. I'll open the board and fill it. Can you see the screen or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. I'm doing on the board. Just I'll give the hint. Try it, both of you. Today we have here some network problem due to rain. Okay. XY is equal to 1. X value is given, Y value is not given. But indirectly Y value is also given. Can you say what is the Y value?
1 by 9 plus 4 root 5, sir.
Very good, very good. Chandana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Right. So X is like this. We want 1 by X square plus 1 by Y square. First, let us do X square or 1 by X we will take. 9 plus 4 root 5. Let me do rationalization. 9 minus 4 root 5 by 9 square minus 4 root 5 square. 9 minus 4 root 5 by 9 square is 81. 4 square is 16. 16 5s are how much? 80. So 9 minus 4 root 5, 1 by x. And y is there. 1 by y, I want to find 1 by y. 1 by y in the sense, again, it is reciprocal, no? 9 plus 4 root 5. This is 1 by y value. This is 1 by x value. Understood? Akash.
Yes, sir.
Why your volume is coming low? Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we want 1 by x square and 1 by y square again. That means 9 minus 4 root 5 whole square. 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square. A minus b whole square and a plus b whole square, right? Can you do it? Can you try now? No. Chandana, are you there? Chandana?
Yes,
Akansh?
sir.
Now, please try on that one.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one show question, sir.
Yes, completed. Check, children. Akansh. Akansh.
Yes.
Chandana, got the answer?
Yes, sir.
See, once again, you have to do this sum. Once again, you have to do nano. I'm writing the values again. Please do it and show your work through the camera. 4 root 5 xy is equal to 1. Find the value of 1 by 322, 1 by x square plus 1 by y square. Do it again.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 by x square we should take 1 by 9 plus 4 root 5 or 9 plus 4 root
No, listen. This is x, this is 1 by x. We should do rationalize here, rationalization. Okay, no? Speak loudly, Nanda Chandana. Rationalization. Chandana, can you hear me? Chandana?
Sir,
Rationalizing, Nanda, here. Into 9 minus 4 root 5, RF. Okay, do this value. 1 by x, we are going to simplify. 1 by y will be like that only.
Okay.
Okay, now network problem, your voice is breaking.
So 1 by x, I got 9 minus 4 root 5, sir.
Very good. So 1 by y, 9 plus 4 root 5. Now you do both of them squaring on squares and then add according to the question.
Sir, like 1 by x, we should do it for 1 by y also, sir.
Oh, yes, none. 1 by y rationalization is not required. Only 1 by x we do rationalization. Because we got fraction. Do it, none. I'm waiting. After completion, message both of you.
Yes, sir.
Akansh, good. Then, what is the value of Chandana? Did you get mom? Chandana?
Sir, no, sir.
Yeah, you can try, no problem. Don't confuse. Don't confuse. No problem.
Sir, if we want to solve that problem, should we use first rationalization, sir?
Yes, yes. First we have to rationalize, then only we have to do. Otherwise, we
Yes,
can't
sir.
do these kind of sums. See the next one.
Sir, once can you explain this, sir? I didn't understand.
Okay, Nanda, sure. So now just listen me. This is the question is given. Okay, no?
Okay.
You want 1 by x square and 1 by y square you want. That means you want 1 by x and 1 by y. This you want, right? But you have x value. Okay, no? X value, I'm taking 1 by x as 1 by 9 plus 4 root 5. And y value we will get from this. Y value is equal to 1 by x. Y value is 1 by x. So 1 by x value is reciprocal, we will write here. 1 by 9
Sir,
plus
1 by x value means this is 1 by x is equals to 1 by 9 plus 4 root 5, na, sir.
yeah, that only I'm writing. Okay. Understand? This is y value. Again, you do rationalization. If you do rationalization, if you multiply with 9 minus 4 root 5, both the numerator and denominator, here y is there. But what we want? What we want? See here, what we want? Chandana, I'm rounding.
1 by y. Okay, sir.
So again, it becomes 9 plus 4 root 5. Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
But 1 by x, we have to simplify like this. This one like this, we should multiply. Denominator a square minus b square. 9 square is 81. 4 root 5 square is how much? 16 into 5. 16 5 are how much, Chandana? Chandana.
80.
Okay. Denominator, I will get 81 minus 80. So I will get 1. So we get 9 minus 4 root 5. Okay, no? Okay, Chandana. Now we
Yes,
got
sir.
the
So
values
you have
of
written that 81 minus 81 you have written, sir.
81
got-
minus 80.
9 minus 4 root 5 and 1 by y value 9 plus 4 root 5. So these two values after getting, we shall do squaring on both. So now the question is like this: 1 by 322 of 1 by x square plus 1 by y square. This is our question. So 1 by 322 of 1 by x value 9 minus 4 root 5, 1 by y value 9 plus 4 root 5. We shall do squares. Why shall we do squares? Because here square is there now. The following. Here square is there now. Okay, no? So this is 9 minus 4 root 5. That is 1 by x. Square is there, so that we have to do square. This is 1 by y. Square is there. We shall do square. Okay, till here, okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now let's do a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab
Sir, here nothing, sir.
plus b square. Next, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now, right? This one and this one we shall cancel. This one and this one we shall cancel, minus and plus. Okay, and 9 square value is 81. 4 root 5 just we have done 80, and again 81, 80. This is 81. See, I'm marking with yellow color. This is 81. This is 80, 81, 80. That's only I wrote down. Then let's add all these numbers. We get 322. So this we will cancel. Answer is 1. Okay, mom?
Yes, sir.
Right. And you feel so tough. This is a new problem. To get relief, I'm giving you a simple question. Will you do? Okay, now. Right? Right. Simple. Of course, from the objective only. Let's do simple question. Yes. Here, this one is in 41, 42. Can you please? 41, 42. Easy only.
Yes, sir.
Chandana, 41, 42 do no? I'll be waiting here.
Sir,
Hmm.
did you explain like this problems already?
No, this is so simple. Just in left side, take the LCM. What you will get? Chandana. Chandana.
Yes, sir.
169 into 169. 169 plus 27, how much? 169 plus 27, how much? 196. Okay? Okay, now. Please respond, Nana.
Sir,
196. What is the root for 196 square root? 14, no?
196.
196 root is 14.
14.
See here, right side, and left side one, write as mixed fraction. You will get like this. What is the x value? What is the
One,
x
sir.
value?
One, sir.
Wait. Chandana, what is the x value?
X, 1 second.
See, already I wrote on the board. Again, you're searching.
1, sir.
Is this needed to explain? Is this any different model? Chandana?
No, sir.
Simple, Nana. 42 also try. Akankshi got 42 answer.
42 doing, sir.
Do it.
I did in transportation method, so that's why I got wrong.
No. Directly you can do. Over, Nana?
Almost the last step, sir.
Do it. No rationalizing, nothing.
Yes, sir. Easy, sir.
I'll open the board.
Sir, I got 143/60, sir, but it's not an option, sir.
Somewhere it wrong. Just check it out once again. I'll do right. I'll also write on the board. X value 13 by 1 minute. I didn't share the screen. Yeah. X value 13 by 5. x minus x by under root x square minus 1. First x square we will do. X square minus 1. And 44, no? Root. Twelve by 5. The denominator value 12 by 5. X value 13 by 5 minus 13 by 5 by 12 by 5. This value is 12 by 5. Is equal to 13 by 5. Just cancel 5 and 5. You will get 13 by 12. Answer is there? No. 60 is the LCM. 12 13s are how much? No. Comes 12 13s are. Have you multiplied?
Sir?
12 13s.
156, sir.
156. So 13 5 60. No.
Yes, sir.
What did you get now? Option is not there. No. 96 you are getting.
96 by 60. Yes.
96 by 6, 91 by is there. First option changes 96. What is your answer?
Sir, I have done it mistake where x square minus 1, sir. I have written x as x square as 144. Itself. I have forgot to write 144 by 25.
12 13 did you say correct only?
Yes, sir.
13 5 is how much? 365 now. Oi.
Yes,
No.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now you will get 91. Okay, no? Option A is correct only. Right?
Yes, sir.
Chandana, what is your answer?
I got different, sir.
What difference, sir? Show me. Can you show through the camera?
Sir, it is very roughly.
No problem. No problem. You can show through the cam. Chandana. Akansh, you also show your answer through the cam. Suppose you
Sir,
are,
it's clumsy, sir.
it is clumsy. Suppose you are in class. If teacher asks, will you show or not?
Yes, sir. I'm showing, sir.
Wait 1 minute. I'll pin you. 1 minute. Yeah. Chandana, 1 minute, Nana. After checking this voice. More close to the cam. Lighting is reflecting. Half of the sum correct only. Okay. Chandana, yours? Chandana, yours?
I'm showing, sir.
It's totally black. See, once it is coming.
Now, sir.
No. I think cam is not working.
Now, okay, sir.
No, it's black. Okay, leave it. Okay, where you did the mistake? Can you say? Where did you get the wrong error? See, x square minus 1, root x square minus 1. We do simply, not complicatedly. We should not make the answer solution complicate. We make it simple. Okay, Nano? Chandana?
Okay, sir.
Right. Will you take the homework or can you do one more sum? Today, no sum you did. Hey, Akansh.
Sir, give, sir. I'll do now, sir.
One sum also not said answer, both of you. I'm giving one more sum. I'll give you. Sure.
Sir, tomorrow test it will be harder, sir.
Easy numbers, only basic, simple. Okay. Simple, Chandana. And model will be like 10, choose the correct answer. 5, odd one out. Odd one out means different than other 3. And 5, multiple correct answers.
When,
Understand?
sir? At
Tomorrow
which time?
Yeah, 5:50 or 6 o'clock. 6 to 7 like that. 1 hour we'll conduct.
Means that time we should attend online classes, sir.
Yeah, you will get link. You will get link. Okay, no?
Okay, sir.
Maybe Google Meet or something else. Might be Chandana, 1 second. Tomorrow you have exam or not, you will get intimation. No? Don't worry. Okay, no? Might be they will not
Sir, you
conduct this.
only told me, sir, on that.
Yeah, of course. But again, I come to know that you don't have on this week. Maybe next week, I think so.
Okay, sir.
Next week.
Sir, this 5 questions homework, sir.
No, I did not tell any homework. Wait. Which one I thought I wants to give? I'm checking. Yeah, 39th do 39. 39th already done, I think so.
No, sir.
No. Wait. Oh, yeah. Okay, 39th only do now.
Yes, sir.
And take the screenshot. You do it as homework. I'll ask you on Monday. This page. Please take the screenshot. Okay, both of you taking.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Product of the syllabus, sir?